Hey guys, and welcome back to my daily videos on coding. So today I just created a resume builder or a curriculum vitae builder CV. Okay, just stay tuned. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how the system looks like. I don't want to take more time, so I'll just use a template, but you can just add your name here. Though when you add your name, it shows on this other side. John at example.com, just like that. So I won't fill the whole thing on my own. So let me, if I click use template, it will just populate the values. Use this, so it will just populate the values. Then the image I can upload on my own. So let me use which one? This one. Just like this, you have your CV. Download. You can customize it the way you want. The code I will share on GitHub, you can use it. I'll share the code in the descriptions. Okay, so this is how the CV will look like. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and join, become a member of the channel. Thank you.